Welcome to English Binglish Part 2. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's practice listening in English. The story of Mr. Beast from zero to YouTube legend. Once upon a time in a small town in North Carolina, a teenager named Jimmy Donaldson had a big dream to become a successful YouTuber. He didn't have fancy equipment, a team, or money. All he had was an old computer, a camera, and an unshakable belief that he could make it big one day. When Jimmy started his YouTube channel at just 13 years old, he got only a few views. Most people would have quit. But not him. He spent countless nights studying YouTube, analyzing what made videos go viral, how algorithms worked, and what audiences loved. For years, nobody watched his videos. Still, he didn't stop. He made gaming videos, funny clips, random challenges, anything he could think of. Slowly, painfully, he kept learning and improving. Then one day he tried something new. He uploaded a video where he counted to 1 lakh, yes, literally counting out loud for over 40 hours. It was crazy, but it was different, and the world noticed that video went viral, and Mr. Beast's journey to greatness truly began. Instead of using his fame for himself, Jimmy did something unique. He started giving away money, helping people, donating to charities, and creating large-scale projects to change lives. He turned kindness into content, and millions of people loved it. Today, Mr. Beast runs multiple successful businesses from Beast Burger to festivals, and he is one of the most viewed creators on the planet. But what's more important than his success is his mindset, the belief that consistency, creativity, and generosity can change the world. Start small. You don't need perfect tools. You need a strong purpose. Be consistent. Success comes to those who don't give up when nobody's watching. Give back. True greatness comes when your success helps others rise too. Success is never an overnight journey. It's built on countless days of hard work, sleepless nights, moments of doubt, and the unwavering belief that we are capable of more. When I look back, I realize that every challenge, every setback, and every no I had along the way was not a roadblock. It was a lesson. It shaped me, strengthened me, and prepared me for this very moment. Success is not just about reaching the top, it's about the courage to start when you have nothing, the persistence to keep going when things get tough, and the humility to remember where you came from. I want to thank everyone who believed in me, my family, friends, mentors, and even the ones who doubted me. Because belief gave me strength and doubt gave me fire. To anyone out there chasing their dreams, remember this. Success is not luck, it's consistency. It's the small steps you take every day, the effort no one sees, and the faith that one day it will all pay off. So, as we celebrate this moment, let's not forget this is not the end of the journey. It's just the beginning of a new chapter. The best is yet to come. Thank you, my dear subscriber, for being here with me. Your support means everything to me. I hope this story touched your heart. Until next time, keep learning, keep practicing, keep growing, and never stop believing in the power of consistent daily action. Share this video with someone who needs to hear this message. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.